Intelligent people do not always ignore red flags. Sometimes they explain them better. Ethan built his reputation teaching people how to make clear decisions under pressure. His favorite rule was simple: when the pattern is clear, stop arguing with the evidence. Then, Nora missed the most important night of his career. She had promised she would be there. But Ethan did what intelligent people often do in love. He separated the pain from the pattern. On stage, he told people that evidence should guide decisions. In his own life, he was already preparing an exception. After the event, Malik asked why Nora had not come. Ethan gave 3 possible explanations before admitting he had not asked her. The smarter he sounded, the less honest the answer became. Nora had always been difficult to read. That was part of what made her interesting to him. He did not just want love, he wanted something he could solve. When Nora canceled plans, Ethan called it pressure. When she pulled away, he called it fear of intimacy. When her story changed, he called it emotional confusion. Each explanation made the behavior easier to tolerate. This is how intelligence can become dangerous in love. It can turn pain into context and context into permission. Ethan kept judging every incident separately, but separate explanations can hide a repeating pattern. The next week, Ethan taught another session on bad decisions. Someone asked how smart people stay in situations they know are hurting them. Ethan answered with confidence: hope, identity, and investment. Hope makes people judge what could happen more than what keeps happening. Identity makes them afraid to admit they chose badly. Investment makes walking away feel like wasting everything they already gave. Then Ethan said one sentence that made the room silent: judge the pattern, not the potential. At that exact moment, Nora's message appeared on his phone. I know I missed it, but I still care. It was one sentence of hope, and suddenly his own rule sounded less like advice and more like a mirror. He had not been loving only Nora, he had been loving the version of her his mind kept improving. So Ethan changed the question. He stopped asking whether he could explain her behavior. He asked what the behavior repeatedly did to him. Love makes intelligent people act stupid when they use intelligence to defend hope from evidence. Have you ever explained away something you would have noticed immediately in someone else's relationship? Share your experience in the comments section and subscribe to Greatness Daily for more hidden truths about love, relationships, identity, and modern life.